Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix telegram code not sending. So if you are not receiving your telegram login code, try this to fix this issue. So the first thing you have to do, you have to wait for a few minutes sometimes when you request for a code. So sometimes there's a slightly delay in code delivery, so give a few minutes before requesting again for another code. And also check the right platform. So the telegram may send the code via another logged in telegram device, so check your telegram message to see if you received the code. You can also use the SMS. So if not logged in anywhere else, then you have to use the SMS or phone call. If SMS is delayed, you can simply use phone call, and telegram may also call you for code. Then ensure your phone number is correct. Double check if you entered the correct phone number with the correct entry code, with the correct country code. Then after that, if you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi or vice versa. You can also try enable and disable airplane mode to refresh your connection, and also you can simply restart your phone. A simple restart can fix network issue. So that is that. Then also you can simply enable automatic date and time on your device. To do that, go to your settings, then click on date and time, enable automatic date and time to avoid sync issue. Then after that, also go to your telegram, clear the caches and data only on Android, but if you are an iOS user, you don't have to do that. So go to settings, on the settings go to app, then on the app click on telegram, click on storage, then clear the storage, clear the caches, then extract the app again. To try a different device or VPN. If you have another phone, try receive the code there. And also a VPN might help if telegram is restricted in your region. And also you have to wait temporarily to block if the report is blocked. So if you request too many code at a go, then telegram may block new requests for a few hours. So wait and try again later. Then also, if any of these didn't work, simply try and contact the customer support. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.